Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy Safemoon yourself, and for this you have to use Google Chrome, so that's a must. So the first thing you want to do, go to coinmarketcap.com and find Safemoon. So this is the coin here, and as you can see on the contracts, it's running on the Binance Smart Chain. You want to go ahead and copy this address and then go to a website called Metamask.io. So we want to install Metamask for Chrome, and once you do, it brings you over to the web store. And if you install, go to extensions, Metamask, and here it is. We just installed it. So now we have to change it from main network to a advanced RPC because we have to use the Binance Smart Chain. So the network name is Binance Smart Chain, and this is the URL, and all of this information that we have entered in here is in the description down below. So go ahead and view from the description. Then go to add the next things, BNB, this is BC scan, then hit save. So I can't save it because I already created it, but just hit save and then change to Binance Smart Chain, and boom, there we go. This is how it looks. And before we can buy Safemoon, we first have to transfer some money into our wallet here. So we have to send Binance coins to this wallet. In order to do that, copy your address, go to Binance, and if you don't have a Binance account yet, just go ahead and create it from the link in the description down below to get a bonus. So go to wallet and field and spot, and now we find BNB, which is the third one here. Hit withdraw and then paste in the address we just copied, select Smart Chain, and enter in an amount you want. So let's say 1,000 for example. You can do it any amount you want. I can do this because I don't have enough balance, but I can just hit submit, and if you do, it will be directly deposited into your MetaMask account within seconds. So once the number of Binance coins display into your wallet, we head over to the next step, which is transferring the Binance coins into Safemoon. In order to do that, we have to go to PancakeSwap. So type in PancakeSwap and then connect the wallet once it's done loading. Go to the top. Let me log out first. Go to connect and hit MetaMask right here. And there we go. Now we successfully connected our account. Then you want to go to trade and go to exchange. And now we are going to exchange this to Safemoon. Go ahead and select currency. Type in Safemoon and then hit I understand and hit continue. Then enter in the amount, so let's say 1,000, and then you can buy this amount of Safemoon. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.